This is the definitive guide to solve difficult platforming, jump physics, stuck errors in games. After dealing with jump physics, stuck errors myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The first method focuses on ensuring your game's core files are correct and that your graphics drivers are up to date, addressing potential corruption or outdated rendering information. Next, we look at adjusting in-game physics settings and disabling interfering overlays, which can directly impact how the game interprets movement inputs. The third approach involves a deeper dive into system stability, including reinstalling the game and ensuring your operating system is current, clearing out any underlying software conflicts. Finally, we explore advanced troubleshooting like modifying game configuration files and checking for compatibility issues, targeting specific game data that might be causing the physics glitch. These comprehensive steps are designed to fix difficult platforming, jump physics, stuck errors in games.